Hello friend, welcome to the Travel World YouTube channel. This video discuss about by unveiling unparalleled elegance 14 best Hilton hotels around the world. So let's start my video. Unveiling unparalleled elegance 14 best Hilton hotels around the world. Summary: Hilton offers an excellent collection of 19 distinct brands and properties worldwide, making it a preferred choice among business and leisure travelers. The Hilton Honors Guest Loyalty Program provides benefits such as a free stays and complimentary meals for guests. The best Hilton hotels in the world offer prime location, excellent service, and amenities, ensuring a positive user experience and a memorable stay. With an excellent collection of 19 distinct Hilton brand and properties in more than 7,000 worldwide locations, this hotel chain welcomes its guests with unmatched hospitality and premium service. It is one of the most preferred hotel chain among business and leisure travelers looking for a memorable stay with luxury amenities. With properties in more than 120 countries and territories, tourists and can find and wherever they want to go. Some Hilton hotels are known for their beachfront location, some for their ambience offer for their fine dining, and still other for their top of the line all exclusive amenities. The multi-award winning Hilton Honors Guest Loyalty Program is another treat that offers guests free stay or complimentary meals. Here are the best Hilton hotels in the world which guests will remember fondly even a year later. Botanica Osa Peninsula Corio Collection by Hilton Costa Rica. The Botanica Osa Peninsula, sitting between the lush grandeur of Corcovado National Park and the Pacific Ocean Gulf, duels offer a stay complete with stunning stars, warm hospitality, and contemporary convenience. The hotel offers standard guest room as well as 1, 2, and 3 bedroom suites, all of which include simple decor but the cozy ambience and premium amenities. The Terra a la Mesa restaurant of the Botanica Osa Peninsula service sustainably sourced Costa Rica food, and the resort's on-site spa provide a range of treatments and service like a Costa Rica coffee scrub. Additionally, the resort concierge facility assists arranging activities like local hiking, paddling with whale shark, and environmental education. The Biltmore Mayfair, England. Another worldful Hilton hotel is London Biltmore Mayfair LXR Hotels and Resort, known for providing a unique native travel experience steeped in tradition and history with a convenient location. Its food is guest within walking distance of Buckingham Place and Hyde Park, and a few minutes drive from many other London tourist attractions and achievement. Rooms are cozy, dense with Art Deco inspired decor, high-end amenities, and a relaxing ambiance. Guests may enjoy a variety of delectable cuisine for breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the Delight for the stay, and a classy bar is ideal for a few drinks before retiring for the night. Conrad Bora Nui Vitap. Among the world's best Hilton hotels, the Conrad Bora Nui as an oasis surrounded by calm crystal clear water and tropical landscaping, with accommodation options like standard suites, private pool villas, and Overwater pool villas, one of the major highlights of the resort. Guests are perfectly placed for a serene natural retreat. Dining is excused with 5 water lounges and a swim-up pool bar in the ideal location for adults to unwind. Hilton Rose Hall Resort and Spa, Jamaica. For families looking for a ultimate getaway, packed with activities and luxuries, but at an affordable price. This Hilton property is stunning. Montajo Bay service all-purpose it all exclusive waiters lets visitor unwind in comfortable rooms while still taking advantage of food and service, including drink, dining, and a kid club, access to an outdoor pool, a water park with thrilling slides, a lazy river, a lots of excitement as well as non-motorized water sport. Guest, family, friend, and live entertainment are all included in the package. Guests can also enjoy spa treatment, private dining, and cabins by the pool for additional fee and have a memorable stay full of exciting experience. Hilton Moria. Hilton Moria Lagoon Resort and Spa, French Polynesia. Hilton Moria Lagoon Resort and Spa offer an environmentally friendly stay in Morelia, one of the most beautiful islands in French Polynesia. Surrounded by stunning scenery and the Pacific Ocean, azure water with the exotic overwater bungalows and Moria only overwater restaurant. This resort is ideal for a nature retreat away from the city hectic ambience. Guests will enjoy the ultimate experience in their cozy rooms and also have the chance to play tennis, take yoga classes, unwind in the spa or swim in the lagoon style pool. They can also spice up their vacation by going snorkeling or talking for expert tour. Doubletree Falls View Resort and Spa by Hilton, Niagara Falls. The Doubletree Falls View Resort and Spa by Hilton, nestled in Niagara Falls, Canada, boasts stylish, spacious accommodation, premium amenities, and the range of dining options, ensuring a comfortable stay for guests seeking luxury and relaxation. With breathtaking views of the iconic falls of the Niagara River and the city, it creates a mesmerizing backdrop for guests. The one-side spa, sauna, pools, and tube are some of the one-side options to unwind. The proximity to Niagara Falls allows guests to easily explore the area natural wonders and attraction. Hilton Queenstown Resort and Spa. The luxurious Hilton Queenstown Resort and Spa on New Zealand South Island, Screen Lake, Wakatipu Bank, captivating guests with the majestic mountain backdrop. Its convenient location make it an ideal starting point for exploring the region's natural attraction as well as its shopping and dining hotspot. The rooms and suites have cozy fireplaces and beautiful views, ensuring an enjoyable vacation. Many stylish on-site venues cater to food and wine authentic, including a signature restaurant, Wakatipu Grill, which serve the finest New Zealand cuisine. Guests can relax on the terrace or in the heated pools while admiring the scenery or experience the ultimate rejuvenation at the award-winning spa. Hilton Mexico City, Reforma, Mexico. For those looking for a lavish stay and exceptional service in Mexico City, this hotel is considered one of the best Hilton family hotels in the world for its extensive range of amenities and prime location. Situated in the heart of the bustling Reforma district, the hotel is conveniently close to the city top's cultural attraction, street food, dining options, shopping centers, and vibrant nightlife. The hotels boost modern stylish rooms, a rooftop pools, a fitness center and spa, and multiple dining options, all of which make for a luxurious and relaxing stay. Hilton Aruba Caribbean Resort and Casino Aruba. The iconic Hilton Aruba Caribbean Resort and Casino opened in 1959 as Aruba's first luxury resort, paving the way for tourism on the world unique island. It is unquestionably one of the best Hilton resorts in the world for extreme luxury, relaxation, and entertainment thanks to its impressive architecture, extensive range of amenities, and ideal location of Palm Beach. The rooms are roomy and elegant, and guests adore for the views of the garden for the beach. There are many dining establishments where guests can savor delicious food and drink, as well as amenities like a spa, pool, and a casino where they can have fun. Conrad, Dublin, Ireland. Travelers seeking a luxurious stay in the vibrant city of Dublin will find Conrad Dublin an iconic location to enjoy a memorable stay, complete with comfort and service. Its central location puts guests close the city most population attractions such as Trinity College and St. Stephen Green. It also features excellent dining options including a Michael-starred restaurant. Additionally, it has top-notch dining options such as the terrace kitchen and social house, a Michael-starred restaurant, and numerous lounge bar, as well as a fitness center and state-of-the-art event facilities. Conrad Dublin is one of the Dublin's best luxury hotels with sophisticated design and warm Irish hospitality, and that offer a variety of delightful experience. Zemi Beach House LXR Hotels and Resort, Anguilla. Zemi Beach House managed by LXR Hotels and Resort, one of the notable Hilton Hotels brand, is an hotel excellent location to enjoy Caribbean vacation for luxurious this at a typical oasis of the Anguilla, which small night but might. World of Astoria, Beverly Hills, California, USA. The World of Astoria, Beverly Hills, an urban oasis in the heart of Beverly Hills, a perfect escape destination. Lots to see and do, providing luxurious accommodation with breathtaking views, exterior dining experience, and impactful service. Enjoy a relaxing stay in a finished room and suite for this purpose. 5-star hotels with a standout for its rooftop pools. Hilton Tokyo Bay, Japan. Hilton Tokyo Bay, the official hotels of Tokyo Disney Resorts, offer a distinct fusion of allows guests to soak up the energy of Tokyo, a city that never sleeps. World of Astoria, Maldives, Itaha Fushi, Maldives. With its scenery, beachfront location, luxurious villas, and personalized service, the world of Astoria, Maldives, Itaha Fushi provides an idyllic setting for a memorable and rejuvenating vacation in the Maldives, making it one of the best Hilton chain hotels worldwide. The resort, located on a private island with stunning views with white sand, the Indian Ocean, and lush, there are numerous opportunities to tame the scenes, including the world-class lifestyle spa, Century Jam Entertainment Center, outdoor pool, and 11 celebrated dining venues. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।